Hi everyone, my name is Shreya. Welcome to my channel Smiling Shreya. Before I begin, I want to sincerely apologize to all of my Bengali viewers. I usually love to speak in Bengali for such traditional celebrations, but today I'm making this video in English because many of our viewers, especially our non-Bengali and international friends, they also want to understand and enjoy the celebrations with us. I hope you will support me and enjoy the spirit of Jamai Sashti with open hearts. Jamai Sashti is a traditional Bengali festival dedicated to the son-in-law of the family, who called Jamai. It's a day when mother-in-law pampered their Jamai, means son-in-law, with love, gifts and delicious food. In our case, we are giving it a fun twist. Today, one of our dear friends is hosting a traditional Jamai Sashti celebration at her home, with her parents visiting all the way from India. And guess what? We have all been invited to join in.
Kiss will make the world go round. Thakur Jamai elo badite. Oh no no di. Thakur Jamai elo badite. Oli oh no no di. Ar tu mutho chal tele de anite. Thakur Jamai elo badite.
As soon as we entered, we were welcomed with warm hugs and an even warmer aroma of Bengali home-cooked food. And the backyard was decorated with flowers, gates, and a touch of Kolkata nostalgia. As you can see, we all are so excited and are perfectly, beautifully ready for the celebration. Time for the rituals. The thali is ready with rice, sweets, threads, sandalwood paste, flour and so many. Just ready to take the blessings from them. Traditionally, it's done just for one's own son-in-law. But today, Auntie decided to go big. She lovingly performed the ritual not just for her own Jamai, but for all the Jamais present, making every one of us feel like family. It is such a wholesome, emotional moment. You just have to be patient and feel the vibe. And trust me, if you stick around till the end, there is a fun little twist coming that you won't want to miss.
একটু হোল্ড করবেন, এইটা লাগবে না, এগিয়ে গেল কিছু। মামি এদিকে আমার দিকে একটু তাকান। ও ভাবছে দিনের রাত হয়ে গেছে। একটু এগিয়ে রাখলো ব্যাপারটা। টাইম ম্যানেজমেন্টে এক্সপার্ট না, ওই জন্য একটু
দেখতে পারি very beautiful green দেখতে পারি oh there's a magnet এখানে magnet আছে বুয়া কি সুন্দর দেখতে beautiful এই যে magnet জগন্নাথ কি দারুণ হয়েছে ভাই beautiful
After all the pampering and fun, we finally opened our gifts with big smiles and fuller hearts. But we know this moment is not completed without giving back a little love. So we all have come together to show some gratitude and respect to Uncle and Auntie, who made this whole celebration so special. Each of us put in a tiny effort, whether it is a card, a sweet message, or a thoughtful little present, just to make them smile. Because love grows best when it flows both ways.
তুলে দেখো
চোখ তুলে দেখো না কে এসেছে,
আরে চোখ তুলে দেখো না কে এসেছে, নতুন করে আবার বিয়ের সানাই এসেছে।
And now, it's time for the most awaited part, the food. Our amazing host Sonu, along with her super mom auntie, prepared a total of 12 delicious Bengali dishes for this special occasion. Yes, 12. Every single item is finger-licking good, and honestly, we never imagined we would get to celebrate such an authentic Jamai Sashti this far away from India here in the US. It felt like a slice of home on a plate. And here comes the twist we promised. As the evening settled in, we decided to end the celebration with a little couple fun. But this time, the husbands were in the spotlight.
प्रणाम करो सहराबाद के माही तू मेरे घर आना सुहाग सुहागन हो संग हमेशा साजन हो आपके मेरी दुनिया में वापस ना जाना जाएगा गोलू जा के मेरी दुनिया में वापस ना जाना सहरा बांध के माही तू मेरे घर आना
Yes, we know this isn't exactly part of the Jamai Sashti rituals, but hey, love deserves its moment too.
सहरा बांध के माही तू मेरे घर आना
It was romantic, hilarious, and just plain heartwarming. Sometimes the best traditions are the ones we make our own, isn't it? এভাবেই কাটলো আজকের আমাদের অসাধারণ একটা দিন। সব মুহূর্ত শেয়ার করতে পারলাম না ঠিকই, কিন্তু আশা করি আনন্দটা ভাগ করে নিতে পারলাম আপনাদের সবার সাথে। কোনোদিন ভাবিনি ইউএসের মাটিতেও এরম জমকালো জামাই ষষ্ঠী হতে পারে। If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.